Are you suffering with fibroids, painful periods, endometriosis, ovarian cyst, or having fertility issues? If you answered yes, then you must try a castor oil pack. Castor oil comes from the Ricinus communis plant. It is made by extracting oil from the seeds. Castor oil packs are a powerful, natural, traditional therapy that has been used for centuries to promote healing, reduce inflammation, and support detoxification. When applied over the lower abdomen pelvic area, this may help increase circulation and promote healthy ovarian and uterine function to the reproductive system. Castor oil packs may help naturally break up fibroid tissue, ovarian cysts, endometriosis, scars, and adhesions. It would also help support lymphatic flow and circulation around the uterus, ovaries, and fallopian tubes. I prefer to use my castor oil pack with a heating pad to help improve absorption. Get your high-quality, organic, cold-pressed, hexane-free castor oil pack and heating pad by clicking the link in my bio to my Amazon store, or type castor oil pack in the comments and I will DM you the link.